Hello po mga ma'am sir, welcome back po ulit sa ating channel. So for today's video, pag-uusapan po natin is dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. Alam naman po natin na itong dalawa na to ay mga popular ngayon, how to make money online. So ngayon pag-uusapan din natin yung mga pros and cons about dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. So para may idea kayo, natitimbang ninyo kung saan yung mas prefer ninyo how to start your own online business. So let's start with what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a business model where you can earn money online by promoting or recommending product services to your audience. How about dropshipping? So ano naman yung dropshipping? So dropshipping is an e-commerce business model wherein you are allowed to sell products from different suppliers on your own website. So now let's proceed to the pros and cons about this tool, the dropshipping and the affiliate marketing.
Okay, affiliate marketing, easy to start. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, madali lang magsimula dito kay affiliate marketing. But ito naman yung kanyang disadvantage. Low commission at the start. Next, no need to manage customer support. And yung disadvantage naman niya is wala kang control sa mga products na overpricing. Next is low startup expenses. So, ito rin yung kagandahan kay affiliate marketing kasi wala ka masyadong gugugulin para sa iyong puhunan. And yung disadvantage naman niya is affiliate links can be removed or hacked. So, yun, may mga disadvantage na ganon kay affiliate marketing. So, ingat-ingat lang din tayo. Okay, next. Great source of passive income. Kasi when you generate the link sa mga social media platform mo, is tuloy-tuloy na yung pasok ng mga commission or yung income mo. And yung disadvantage naman niya is limited lang to some advertising. So, yun lang din yung kanyang disadvantage. Okay, let's proceed naman po sa dropshipping. First advantage, you can build your own brand. And yung kanyang disadvantage, you needs customer support naman. So, for example, when it comes sa mga delivery na ganyan, na medyo delay, you can follow up na kailangan mo mag-follow up doon sa supplier to prioritize yung mga delivery. Next advantage is you have higher profit rates sa dropshipping. Yung disadvantage niya, no control over the quality of the service. Next, instant payment kay dropshipping. Yung disadvantage naman niya, price competition with other businesses. And next na advantage kay dropshipping is easy to scale. So, ayan ang mga pros and cons naman when it comes sa dropshipping. At least dyan, makukompare nyo talaga dyan sa dalawang yan kung alin yung mas prefer ninyo to start your online business.
So, here are the main aspect to consider. Number one is their key differences. So, in affiliate marketing, you will promote another company's products. Unlike dropshipping, magbibenta ka ng mga produkto with your brand name. So, ayan po yung kanilang key differences. Number two is yung ease of start. Affiliate marketing, mas easier siya to start with unlike dropshipping. Kasi kay affiliate marketing, magjo-join ka lang sa mga affiliate program of different companies. Okay, next is profits. Typically, si dropshipping ang nakakapag-provide ng mas malaking profit compared kay affiliate marketing. Mas higher yung profit margin niya kasi makakapag-decide ka ng iyong sariling selling price. Sa kabilang banda, kadalasan kasi kay affiliate marketing, so meron lang silang tinatawag na fixed commission. Fixed lang talaga yung commission na nakukuha nila. Next naman is yung earning potential. So, the earning potential, they are both may potential naman when it comes to earning. So, based kasi sa survey, si dropshipping yung nagpo-provide ng mas steady yung income compared kay affiliate marketing. So in short mga ma'am sir, kung naghahanap po kayo ng great business model online na hindi ka masyadong mag-e-effort, hindi ka masyadong mape-pressure, affiliate program is the best option for you. Pero kung gusto mo naman magtayo ng sarili mong business online with your brand name, dropshipping is the excellent option naman for you. So, I hope po nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to. And if you think nakatulong po lang, lalo na sa mga magsisimula pa lang sa kanilang online business, so please like and subscribe po sa ating channel for more videos and updates na katulad po nito. Thank you for watching. Bye po!